how to create a dashboard in Smartsheet. So when it comes to managing projects and keeping your team aligned, having the right insights at the right time can make all the difference. Spreadsheets are great for storing data, but what happens when you need to actually see trends, track performance, or share progress with stakeholders? That's where Smartsheet dashboards comes in. Smartsheet is already a powerful work management tool, but dashboards take it a step further. They let you turn raw project data into clear, interactive visuals that help you make smarter decisions. In 2025, Smartsheet has made dashboards more customizable and easier to build. So you don't need to be a data expert to create professional, executive level reports. So to create a dashboard in Smartsheet, all you need to do first is go to your Smartsheet website in your browser and log into your account. And from here, when you're in your home page, you will see all of your workspaces right here. So as you can see, you can start a new project, program, or process. We have the template gallery right here. So I suggest you open your current workspace where you want to create a dashboard. So I have this test workspace right here. So let's select it. So as you can see, this is your task sheet, your task summary report. You can add something to your workspace, as you can see, either a sheet, a report, or a dashboard. So if in any case you don't want to add the dashboard to this workspace, so what you can do is go to browse. So hold on, this is how the dashboard looks like. It's just a default dashboard. So if you want to create a new dashboard, you can always go to browse. As you can see, we have this workspaces right here. Click on create in the top right. And from here, as you can see, you can start from scratch. We have the guided project setup, workspace, import, work app, and of course, we have different kinds of spaces or project right here, such as grids, timeline, report, Gantt charts, form, board, and dashboard. So click on dashboard. As you can see, creating your dashboard in a new workspace. And now just click on get started. And as you can see, we can add widgets such as titles, timeline, report, image, metric, chart, shortcut, and rich text. So let's click on title. So let's say test dashboard. Can do like that. And as you can see, we have the widget behavior has this actions. So when someone clicks on this widget, can select take no action, either open another site or open a Smartsheet item. So of course, this is user specific, or it depends on the user. So it depends on you what you want to do when someone clicks on this widget. So to add a new widget, just again click right here. You can also add a dashboard theme. So we have Smartsheet themes right here. So let's say deep space. So that is how it will look like. We can use sunny surf for more cleaner look, or a standard or classic. Now let's say we want to add new widgets. So as you can see, we can select timeline. And of course, to edit this timeline, we'll need the data source. Of course, you can add sheets right here. So if you have a sheet from your other workspace, so let's say this task sheet from the test, you can always click on it. And as you can see, this is how it will look like. So let's say tasks, that's our title. As you can see, this is how the dashboard will look like. And of course, you can always change the size of this, say like that. And you can always just do scrolls right here. As you can see, this is how it will look like. So of course, it doesn't look really that good. So it still depends on you and how you want to design your dashboard. So we can set the default time scale, the group, choose fields, filter, and all that. So you'll want to do that all by yourself. Next, we have the report widget. As you can see, we can add the uh, data source from our report. As you can see, let's say the task summary report or overdue tasks report. Click on OK. And as you can see, we will see it all right here. We also have this image report or image widget. So of course, you can always drop your image right here or browse a file. So we don't need this. Let's just remove. Next is the metrics. Of course, again, we can find this. Let's say task sheet. Let's add it right here. So of course, it's just loading. So just wait for it. I think I don't have one. Oh, there you go. Click on OK. And you can add the task sheet right here in your dashboard. So basically, this dashboard creator is just drag and drop. So it's really easy for you to make. So let's click on save. And now, as you can see, when you go to your dashboard or to your dashboard workspace, you will see it right here in the workspace items. And this is how it should look like. So of course, this is just a test dashboard. So this is not how I will create my own dashboard if I need to. But basically, you get the point. That is how you can create your dashboard from your Smartsheet workspace. So again, when you go to home, you will see your next or your dashboard right here in the suggested items. Of course, you can create new ones such as right here. So again, that's how you do it. So let's click again a new dashboard. And again, just do it right here. And we have the widget settings right here also in the right side of the screen if you want to edit some widget settings. So that's basically it. So simply feel free to use the dashboard creator for Smartsheet and create your own dashboard, design it yourself. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.